Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes of course is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome new watchers. Hey. Today I'll be making some roast potatoes and here are the ingredients that I will be using to whip this up. So of course we peeled and washed our potatoes, and my potatoes are fairly big, so I'm cutting them into half, and then each half I'll cut into three. So sometimes you'll have a small potato or a medium-sized potato, and then you can cut that into half, and then that half you can cut into two, because I've had those too. But yeah, these are fairly big, and you don't want to cut them too small. You know, for roast potato you want to have a good piece of potato, a nice little chunk, a nice big piece. Yeah. So yeah, my potatoes are fairly big, so I get 3 pieces from each half. So guys, you're going to need to put some water in a pot and bring that to a boil. So to boiling water, we're going to add these potatoes, and we are going to cook them for 4 to 6 minutes, which is parboil really. So we're just boiling them parts way, just bringing them, to a little cook. We just want to give them a little something for work with, so they don't take too long in the oven. So yeah, here is my water, and I'm just adding the potatoes. Cover it 4 to 6 minutes, but while that's going on, I'm preparing my roasting pan. So I added some oil. So yeah, take off the potato, drain off the water, and now I'm putting them in another tray just to season them. So could they eat? Yes, eat, come true, give me a little facial. So I'm spritzing my potato with some oil, and after this, you don't want to do too much of that, by the way. I'm adding some seasoning to my potato, because guys, it give it an amazing taste, a nice little taste. So if you don't want to do that, fine. Next, I'm adding some salt, because you don't want it to be fresh. No, we don't like that. Now this I don't add all the time, but I always add the seasoning. So this is some roasted garlic and pepper, and this is amazing on it also. And here I'm adding some black pepper. So yeah guys, if you want to go simple, then you can just do salt and pepper, or salt, pepper and garlic powder is fine. That will taste good too. But yeah, just spice up your potato, add what you like, add whatever you want like. Add whatever you like and want taste, and then just step out with that. Yeah, be confident in what you like. Yeah, it's food, we just need it to taste good, so just add whatever you like. So yeah, just go ahead and rub up the seasoning on the potato. You want to get it everywhere, all nice and proper, like Bacchus stopper. Yes, come through with the rub up. I mean, Sir Robbins and more Robbins. Yeah guys, so get the seasoning on there real good, and then we're going to put that into our baking glass pan tray. Whatever you have, put it in there, and you want to get each of them in their own little corner so that they can get a nice little setup in the oven. Now preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 374 degrees Fahrenheit. You can even go up to 200 on the potato, on the guys, on the oven, right? So then yeah, and we're going to put it in there for 20 minutes. We're gonna do 20 minutes first, and then we're going to take them out, right? But anyway, let's continue to just set them up nicely. So here they are setted nicely, and we are putting it in the 190 degrees Celsius oven. Here it is after 20 minutes. So I'm gonna flip them over, and it's not all of them, because some you will see them nice and really brown on that side. So yeah, you want to flip those over, and some might not be so brown, and so you can leave them as is. But for most part, you would flip most of them over so you can get the next side nice and golden, the brown and crispy. Guys, comment down below and tell me, do you like your potatoes crispy or just, nice and soft? So put them in for another 20 minutes. And Vibes family, Vibes fam, this is it. After my 20 minutes, after the next 20 minutes, this is it. I eat this. Mr. Vibes fam, seat here is it. This come right out here and come step out and check it out. So I mean, after the holidays, you don't want to do too much. You eat whole heap of rice. You add a lot of rice. So you want to step back and say, hey, with my chicken, let me get some potatoes on the side. So yes, Vibes fam, here it is. Just enough amount of crisp, enough amount of niceness. Love. Nice for the children, for everybody in the house can enjoy. You add anything that you want to add. Amazing and nicely seasoned. So good. But me, I like mine a little bit crispy. So here it is, Vibes fam. What I did, I took out some, put them back into the oven just so I can show you guys how I like mine. Very crispy, right? So the other one, it had crisp, but this is crispier. Yes. Vibes fam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. By the way, they had an extra 10 minutes in the oven to get that crisp, but just watch your pot. But God bless you.